Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove Cortana from your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in apps, best match, come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then the search the list field over here on the right, just go ahead and search for Cortana. Best results should come back with Cortana. Select that and then select uninstall. The app and related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall to confirm. And then you may want to restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.